Welcome to a brand new podcast. As always, this is the Oracle 19, and my name is Greatness. For any business inquiries, you can email us at evolutionoflondon@gmail.com if you want to put your brand on this podcast. And also same email if you want to make a free will offering. So that's evolutionoflondon@gmail.com. That's through our PayPal account. And we have different links to other affiliates. That's www.linktree.com/evolutionlondon. There you will see other links to our affiliates. And check out www.patreon.com/evolutionoflondon. There we have consulting services, digital artwork, as well as videos that is not posted on YouTube. Music. Cheap Limousine channel on YouTube. We have a whole wide range of different beats. Once you go to his YouTube channel, you will see other social media sites that you can link with or link to. So check out Cheap Limousine channel on YouTube. And continue to train on YouTube. The Greatness 19 channel. That's our educational channel. Over pretty much close to 450 videos to open up your third eye. So like, subscribe, and share to Cheap Limousine channel and the Greatness 19 channel as well. And finally, check out Mr. Evolution of London. That's our health and wellness channel. So like, subscribe, share to that. And we have videos on health and wellness, so definitely support Mr. Evolution of London. Check out www.evolutionoflondon.com. We have a whole wide range of different products, men's, ladies, kids' clothing, as well as house products, accessories, and much, much more. So www.evolutionoflondon.com. Also check out www.evolutionoflondon.org. There you'll find custom clothes, digital products for personal and business use, and accessories as well. So definitely support that. And finally, check out www.evolutionoflondon.store, STORE. There you will have soaps, lotions, more clothes, DVDs, and more accessories. So www.evolutionoflondon.store, STORE. Mr. Will, he's been a fitness consultant for over 15 years. If you want to book a consultation, email him at williesfitness99@gmail.com. That's Willies, WILLYZ, fitness99@gmail.com. So definitely support his brand and support his merchandise, which is www.wjaaccessories.org. There you'll find custom clothes, accessories, and digital products as well. And also support DJ Panthro. DJ Panthro, if you want to book for him to come to your venue, locally or internationally, you email him at DJPanthro, PANTHRO 519@gmail.com. AT Cell Phone Repair Center. They have 2 locations. Ask for Freedom. Yes, that's the name, Freedom. He's been in business for over 20 years. He has 2 locations. The first location is 1401 Ernest Avenue, Unit 15. Again, that's London, Ontario. Telephone number is 519-204-7300. They sell computers, iPods, iPads, all different types of phones and accessories. Their business email is atcellphonerepair@gmail.com. Again, that's atcellphonerepair@gmail.com. The second location is 93 Wellington Street North. They wholesale at that location. All computers, iPods, iPads, all different types of phones and accessories. Address is 93 Wellington Street North, again, London, Ontario. They're number one for parts and accessories in London, and they also provide security cameras and install them. Toll-free number is 877-358-0026, and local number is 226-503-3300. And finally, their email at that location is atwholesaler@gmail.com. That's atwholeseller@gmail.com. Fin City Fish and Chips. Address is 711 Richmond Street, downtown London. Their website is www.fincityfishandchips.ca, and the telephone number is 519-672-9950, and you can email them at fincitylondon@gmail.com. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram as well, and they deliver also great fish and chips. You definitely need to check that out. And they have other foods there as well. So, Fin City Fish and Chips. I like to say Fin City. Now, the Oracle 19 is on all major platforms. We on Anchor.fm, Google, Apple, Spotify, Amazon Music, just to name a few. Anything I haven't mentioned will be in the description box of the Oracle 19 podcast, the Greatness 19 channel, Mr. Evolution of London, and finally www.oracle19radio.com. So definitely check those social media platforms. Okay, well, as always, I give my perspective of life, and it might definitely be triggering. But today I'm going to talk about, are you a mistake? Are you a mistake? You know, a lot of times we as men and women, our parents, is really unspoken words that really is not talked about. A lot of times we was a mistake. It wasn't meant for us. Our parents didn't plan for us to be on this planet Earth. A lot of times it was what it was. They just had fun in the sun for a holiday, a day off. The summer of 69, the summer of 79, the summer of 88, the summer of 98, 2008, 2018, and present. And poof, you came. And a lot of times, those things is not really said. But have you ever thought about it? Are you a mistake? Now, again, a lot of times life is pre-planned. It's not pre-planned. And you do come on into this world as a mistake. But it doesn't mean that your parents don't love you. But it is what it is. So, what do you think about it? Have you given it thought? Have you ever thought about it? This is just how we are in society. Most of us just came in this world by mistake. But do your parents really love you? And what do you think about them? What do you think about your parents? Other than that, do you think they love you? Or because again, going forward, what you think about them, or what you think they think about you. See, there's a history about your parents long before obviously you was born. And not all the parents was good people. But maybe they showed you, their good side, but it is what it is. That they have a history. But sometimes in life you gotta move forward from the mistakes of parents because they're not perfect neither. And when you become an adult, you have to look at what you doing to be a better you. We want to do better than our parents in all different ways. And I support that. It should be that way. That's how you receive generational growth. Even though you might was a mistake. But sometimes you gotta rise beyond the ashes of life to succeed, to be a better you. So that means you have to progress, regardless of the mistakes in life that the parents have made. Because there's a fast world out here. And sometimes you have to let certain things go. You can't just keep on being bitter and upset with your parents. You have to learn to rise above that to make yourself a better you. And that's very important in life. I'm not going to really be long-winded on this show about that because there's a lot of pain that we have gone through. And even a lot of us still is in mental pain, and we carrying that even up to now. And at the end of the day, especially when you're an adult, you have to look at for the reality that it is. You got to look at, okay, your parents maybe had you as a mistake, or they wasn't perfect, wasn't necessarily good people, but what are you going to do for your next generation? Or what you doing currently to be a better you, better than your parents? But a better citizen to society, not only to you, but to society. So that's, I find, just as important, because a lot of you will just be stale and stuck on, what your parents haven't done or didn't do, and you hate them or you don't like them. And you're really not, a lot of you kids don't know the whole scope of what your parents are really about. That's another thing, because you've been secluded. And let's call it for what it is. A lot of times your mom's been the caregiver of you, so you really don't know your dad. You really don't know your dad, and you don't know the ins and outs of what your dad was really about until you find out. Because remember, you have both parents in you. And not necessarily you have all the good of each parent. So you have to learn to wean that out of you to make you a better you. So were you a mistake? Are you a mistake? Strong possibility, yes. But what are you doing forward? That's the key. That is the key. Is how you pushing forward. Are you proactive in life to succeed? What are you trying to do to succeed in life? What are you putting in motion? How are you being proactive? What are you doing to be proactive? Who are you surrounding yourself with to be a proactive person? These are the challenges that you need to face. That's the only way you will be and you will grow to be a better you. Is facing these realities, facing these challenges, so you can be more proactive, more progressive in life. That's the only way. So I highly suggest you have to look deep inside yourself, especially as an adult. As an adult, these are the things you're going to need to figure out. You're going to need to figure these things out ASAP. Because you're trying to strive, if you're trying to strive for greatness, you need to talk to your parents if you can, to come to those conclusions. Now, it might be very bitter to your stomach because you might not expect certain things to know the truth of the matter. Sometimes it will be painful and it hurts. But sometimes you need to face that reality. And it's best to face that reality. So that's how I will look at things. I mean, that's just my perspective. So are you a mistake? Were you a mistake? And it doesn't mean if you get the answer, yes, you were a mistake, it doesn't mean life is over, because you're here obviously for a purpose. Sometimes the purpose is beyond what the parents know. Sometimes you put on this planet Earth, not even for you, but maybe your offspring, maybe your children or great-grandchildren. The parents was just a funnel to bring you in and you to orchestrate bringing in your lineage. So that could be a purpose as well. You don't know. So you need to stay in tune with yourself and put away the bitterness, because that might cloud your mental for succeeding and being a better you, because you clouded by anger and hate. You have to let that go, because that's going to make you stagnant and that's going to block you from your blessings. That's just my suggestion from me to you. Because it's not how you start, it's how you finish. So that's, again, my perspective. Something short and sweet for you. So stay strong and always keep striving. Thank you for listening.